The 2026 Mazda 3 has officially arrived, and it's more refined, tech-forward, and performance-tuned than ever before. Mazda continues to blend sharp aesthetics with practical engineering, and this year's model makes a bold statement in the compact sedan and hatchback segment. From the outside, the 2026 Mazda 3 immediately commands attention. The body lines are clean yet assertive, sculpted to reflect light in a way that makes the red metallic paint almost glow. Up front, the aggressive grille is finished in gloss black, flanked by ultra-slim LED headlights that carry a piercing signature look. The silhouette remains coupe-like, with a gently sloping roofline, minimal overhangs, and muscular fenders that give it a low and athletic stance. Moving around to the rear, the taillights mirror the headlight design, minimalist, circular, and modern, while the dual exhaust outlets and subtly integrated spoiler round out the sporty appeal. Mazda's attention to design details is clear in every panel, every angle. Whether you're looking at it from the front, side, or the striking rear three-quarters view, the 2026 Mazda 3 is undeniably eye-catching. Step inside, and the refinement continues. The cabin is quiet, elegant, and driver-focused. Premium materials now come standard across all trims. The dashboard design is horizontal and clutter-free, emphasizing space and simplicity. A new 12.3-inch digital driver display and a larger 10.25-inch infotainment screen dominate the dash, with seamless integration for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Seats are available in high-quality leather, with red and black sport stitching in the top trims. The center console features a tactile rotary controller for the infotainment system, alongside a redesigned gear selector and electronic parking brake. Ambient lighting and upgraded sound insulation make the interior feel like it belongs in a class above. Rear seat space remains competitive, and the hatchback configuration continues to offer generous cargo flexibility for those who need practicality without compromising style. Under the hood, the 2026 Mazda 3 offers multiple powertrain options. The base engine is a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated four-cylinder producing 191 horsepower, smooth, efficient, and well-balanced for daily driving. But for those who want a bit more excitement, the turbocharged version returns, pushing out up to 250 horsepower and 320 pound-foot of torque with premium fuel. Paired with Mazda's intuitive 6-speed automatic transmission, the turbo variant delivers impressive punch and driving dynamics. Handling has always been a Mazda strength, and the 2026 model continues that tradition. Whether you're navigating twisty backroads or commuting through city traffic, the Mazda 3 feels planted, agile, and precise. G-Vectoring Control Plus and available all-wheel drive enhance stability and grip, especially in wet or snowy conditions. Mazda has also stepped up in terms of safety and driver assistance. Standard features now include adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. Higher trims add a 360-degree camera, traffic jam assist, and front parking sensors, giving drivers peace of mind from all angles. As for pricing, the 2026 Mazda 3 starts at around $25,000 for the base sedan and goes up to about $35,000 for the fully loaded Turbo Premium Plus trim. Considering the level of craftsmanship, performance, and tech, it's one of the best value propositions in its class. In a world where compact cars are often treated as afterthoughts, the Mazda 3 remains a standout, designed with purpose, engineered with precision, and finished with passion. Whether you're a driving enthusiast or just someone who appreciates a beautifully built machine, the 2026 Mazda 3 is more than just transportation, it's an experience.